Hey there everyone, Ravindra Devrani here, and we are continuing the C# tutorial series, and we are moved to the part 23 where we are going to discuss about array. And if you find this video helpful, then please hit that like button. So now let's get started. So what is array? Array is a collection of similar type of data. What it means? Example, if we write it int arr, it means it is a collection of integer values, and if we write this char carr, then it is a collection of character array. So let's move here, and I'm going to create a new class for that. So we are gonna quickly do this. Let's name it part 23. I guess it is a part 23, yeah. And here if I write public static void main, now what I have to do, I have to right click here and move to the properties. So here select properties, change this default startup project, which is now part 23. So we are fine now. Now we can execute our code. So let's define array. So first of all, I'm gonna define this integer type array int arr1 equals to new int 5. And what it is saying, it is saying we can create an array which can contain 5 elements. So let's see how we can add elements to it. So we can element it like this: arr0, 1, 2, 3 and 4, and it have 4, 5, 8, 21. So let's print all of these elements. So for each loop is very good when you are iterating any collection or array. It will be very useful then, so keep it in mind. You are gonna use this loop too much in the C# programming or when you are doing a web development. So just write here console.writeLine I, and let's print this 1, 4, 5, 8, 21. Or either you can print any value of an array. So if I write here console dot write line arr0, it is also fine. I can also access like that arr0, 1, 2, 3. So index of array always starts from 0. So I'm gonna write here index of an array always start from 0. So first element resides at 0th index. 0, 1, 2, 3. We have 4, so we can access till the 4th element. Okay, so 1, 4, 5, 8, 21, that is fine. But what if I try to access, or I try to insert a 5th element in that array, that is 33. Let's see what it will say. It should throw an exception. Yeah, it has thrown an exception, index out of range, so we cannot do it. And we can do not same thing here, we cannot do same thing here. If I try to access the fifth element, which is not inside the array, again it will throw an error. So it is our array, and arr dot, these are the methods of array. But before that, I'm gonna show you something else. So just copy this thing, and if I write here int arr equals to new int 4 5 6 7 8 11 24 20 55, so we can define our array like this also. And let's do the same thing here. For I in arr, or if we access these things with for loop, then for int I equals to 0, and we have to write here I is less than equals to arr dot length. It is how we can find the length of array I plus plus, and we will write here arr I. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, so we have 10 elements here. And let's do this. Okay, I'm gonna tell you why I'm doing this, because I want to print all of these in one line, and I want little bit spacing between these letters. Okay, so let's run this program. Okay, so here it is also fine, and we can also do it like this, I guess. Yeah, it is also fine. So 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So let's try to add arr dot add. It does not contain any method like that, so int arr dot 9, sorry 10th equals to 44. Let's try to do it. Let's see. So if I do it, it will again throw an error. So again, even in this pattern, we cannot go outside the index of array. It means once you have decided the length of array, you cannot change it dynamically. It means you cannot dynamically add any element to the array. It is not possible. So that was our integer array. So let's write some other thing. So if I write here John, sorry, string name names and equals to John Max, and let's see XYZ JSON, it should be here, not here. Okay, so now we have added 4 names inside this array, and we can access these names in the same way like this, either with for loop or with for each loop I equals to 0 console dot write, I should write here name I. So it is how we are going to write our string array. So it is our string array, and we can create a complex array like, let's see, okay, let's open this. And do we have any table? Okay, so let's define property here. It's okay. I am going to create a new class here, public class product. Let's see, already contains a definition for product. Okay, so let's name it my product. Okay, so prop string int, sorry, product name, and here double price. Okay, let's comment. If I write here product, actually that was my product. Okay, my product, products equals to, and let's see, okay, we will do same here, and I'm gonna put a semicolon here. We have to write here new my product name equals to product1, price equals to, let's say, $39, and it should be product2, product3, $41, 42. So it is how we can create the array of any class, or it is a complex type array, and we can do same here. Either we can use this for loop, or we can use the for each loop. Both of are fine. So right here, products dot length, products dot I dot name, and products I dot price. So it is here, product 1 39, product 2 41, product 3 42, it is price. And if I write here console dot write line, name and comma price, if I write it, run it now, so let's see what is the output. So right now, name product 1, price 39, 2 41, 42. So let's put a semicolon here, then it will look much more better. Okay, so it is how we can use arrays. So I am going to comment this thing and we are moving here. Actually, let's uncomment this one, it is more compact. Okay, so if I write here 111 here, 521 here, I write 70, it will be 18, and it is 1, it is 34, it is 55. If I write here arr dot, so first of all, it is how we can find the length of array. So if I write here console dot writeline arr dot length, so it is going to print 10, I guess. It has length 10. Okay, and it is a property, not a method. It have these things like toString. Let's see what it will print. If I write here dot toString, so it is not gonna do anything, and this method is also not appropriate for now. So let's see what else. Array dot concate, it means we can concatenate two arrays. So let's write here int arr2 equals to, let's write here 7 and 21. Okay, let's remove this. Int arr3 equals to arr dot concat arr2 . Okay, so let's try to print the elements of arr3. Okay, it is giving an error. Okay, let's see if I write here to array. Let's see, is it going to work or not? So I am going to uncomment it. Okay, so let's see, let's comment this thing. Console dot writeline arr3 dot length . So its length is 12, and here 10 from here and 2 from here, so it is fine. Then why it is giving, okay, I got it, why it is giving error, because here I am writing arri, it should be arr3, and let's give a proper name to it, merged array. So merged array, and here it should be again merged array. So let's run it. So it is how we can merge two arrays. So let's uncomment this line, let's use another method, and let's write here merged array dot contains. It is going to check if an element is present in array or not. So we are gonna find 7 in array, 21 in array, and let's find 31 in array. Okay, so it should be console dot write line console dot write line, console dot write line here, console dot write line here, one closing bracket here, one closing bracket here, and one closing bracket here. And let's run this program and let's see what should be the output of this program. Okay, true, true, false, because 7 is present in the array. 7 is present in the array, and 7 is present in the array. Second one is 21 is present in array, but 31 is not present in that array. That's why it is returning false. So that's how this contains method works, and it have so many methods. You can find it on internet. We are not going to discuss each of them. We also have an array class which contains many methods, and we can also use them. So let's try to sort this array, and I'm gonna uncomment this line and just writing here console dot write line after sorting. That's it. If I write here array dot sort and we pass a merged array here, so let's run this program, and here now we have sorted it this one, and it is after sorting. This line is after sorting. Okay, so first of all I'm gonna comment this thing. Okay, and here I also need an empty line. I think now it will be more presentable. Yeah, it is our unsorted array. Now it is our sorted array. So it is our array. So now we have understand the concept of array briefly, and we didn't go too much deep. We didn't touch all the methods. We have discussed about only some necessary methods. You can find other methods in internet. There are tons of it. So find them and use them. Okay, so that's it for today. We will catch up in next video.